Up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's Monday, I believe the 9th of March. I'm off today. Today my daughter's getting all her shots, her 2-month shots, so that'll be something. So we're going there around 1:30. But before that, for those that still for the Lexus is still there. So I don't want to sell the car though, but yeah, if somebody came out with the right money, I'll sell it, right? But yeah, I still got plans for it. But anyways, after coming from the doctors, I'm trying to go to the well, technically, yeah, my daughter's going off for her shots today at 1:30. But right now I'm going and get my labs. Guys, always make sure that you're taking care of your body, make sure that things are good. Just want to make sure my cholesterol is good though. Cholesterol has been messing with me for the last few years, so just want to make sure that everything is still good. Sound that way because I just woke up and it's first time talking. But anyways, beside the fact, after that I'm gonna go to Kim's Auto in Gaithersburg. That's the place I normally go to for anything related with my vehicle. Excuse me, everything that's related to maintenance and stuff like that. As you guys know, I don't do my maintenance anymore though. But you know, I do have a larger garage now though at the complex that I'm staying in right now though. So, but we might be moving. So I don't know, man. The only reason we're moving because our neighbors upstairs got 2 kids, a 4-year-old and a 3-year-old, and we have no peace. So it sucks because I just got the garage. I know I was at the public storage not too long ago. I didn't like that one because that's public storage though, and you know there's a lot of things that goes on. So the garage that I'm in right now is really huge. That's where the Subaru is. Actually, we're gonna go there and check it out. So yeah, I had to move out. So anyways, what I meant to say is I like to work on my vehicles though, but since I don't have the time to do it though, I normally take it to Kim's Auto and then take care of me though. So right now, again, I'm heading to get the labs done. First of all, we're gonna stop by the storage because I want to drop off my sunglasses there. Every car has its own sunglasses. I do that way I'm not forgetting them, right? I hate driving with the sunlight. So yeah, man, so that's it. So let's start this whole thing. Let's go to the storage first and the doctors first for me, and then drop off the car. So anyways, yeah, the main reason I'm dropping off the 4Runner for service is maintenance is a key to everything, and I really want to take care of the oil changes, right? So it'll be an oil change for the engine, but also I want to change the oil for the front diff, rear diff, make those fluids are good. And then next time I'll probably do brake flush, but I'll probably do brake flush when I'm doing the brakes. So yeah, I just want to make sure I take care of those. I drive this guy every day, almost Monday through Friday, but also some weekends. And this truck sees 800 miles a week, so just want to make sure it's in tip-top condition. That way, you know, longevity, right? Longevity is what I'm looking for though on this truck though. So they do last a long time, but you know that doesn't mean that don't take care of it, right? So yep. So anyways, let's go ahead and get the garage open. So my garage is here. Yeah, it's opening up right now. As you guys can see, that's where the Subaru is. So yeah, so this is a much more large garage though. The garage is huge. I can do a lot more stuff in there though. So let's see. Yeah, it took me almost about 9 months to get this garage. Kept asking them for the garage, but kept saying stuff, something. I don't know. So let's see. I think I'll drop Subaru. I think I locked the car though, so I might not be able to get into it though. But at least I can put the sunglasses here. Like I said, every time I drive, I want to have my sunglasses on. As you guys can see the garage is huge. I only got 2 suitcases in here. I got a few boxes. That's how much this garage is. It's huge. And we have a light switch right here. And for those guys know about the carton flares on the Subaru, which are these guys up here, the extension to make it look wide. The original flares are right here. I don't think I want to sell them. The only reason I don't want to sell them is in case I ever get to an accident with this car and I need to make a replica of it. I have it with me though, because this is metal. So yeah. Anyways, so you guys can see the garage is huge, like I said before. Oh yeah, the door is locked. So what I'll do is, I didn't bring the keys to this car though, so I'll leave them right here. So I'll leave them. So there it is. Because the garage is huge. I think I hope we don't move, and if we do move, we probably just move to this building. That way I can still retain the garage. I think that would be a key item. So anyways, that's it. What's up guys? I just dropped off the 4Runner to get the oil change. I guess I forgot about the transfer case too though. I'll speak more in details with that. I'm not too familiar with this 4x4 stuff, but yeah, as for, man, this lady, man, goodness gracious. People here in Maryland really can't drive though, so even though it says please be patient, new driver. But anyways, so man, somebody calling me too. A whole lot of things going on. Yeah, dropped it off for the oil changes. That's the engine oil, front diff, rear diff, and I also mentioned about the transfer case, right? I never knew much about it though, but yeah, I went ahead and asked them to replace it as well. So we'll see how things go. I don't know how much that's gonna be. It's probably expensive, but it is what it is. It needs to be done. It will be more expensive when things start going bad, so I'd rather have it done that way. So and I'm taking the Lexus to be washed. I know I'm taking it through car wash, where you know the brush is gonna mess up the paint. I get it, but it needs to be done. So I don't have a mop and a bucket. I mean, not a mop and a bucket. I don't have a bucket to wash it myself though, so I'd rather take it to the car wash and get it done. So I'm headed, and then hopefully I'll be able to pick up the Lexus later. I mean the 4Runner later on today, and let you guys know how the outcome is. Guys, we're back. We finally got the 4Runner fixed up. So we did all the oil changes, transfer from diff, rear diff. We also got rid of the what do you call it though, the tire pressure sensor light that was on. So I think it's good. I haven't driven it yet. So here's my wife with our baby right here. Got a little baby back there, she's sleeping. But yeah, about to get home now though. So I just follow you guys. Huh? I'll follow you guys, you know? Okay. Yeah. So I'll follow closely. So the truck is back. My wife's got the 9 Gen, your favorite car. Bye. So bye. So yeah, let's just see how everything is. You know, one thing I did, I should have told them to rotate the tires though. Put the rear to the front, and the front to the rear, right? I should have done that, but forgot to do that. Oh man, it feels good to be back in the truck. I had missed it. So yeah, oh man, the TPMS sensor light is gone. That was on. Oh, it's back. That sucks. I just said it's gone and now it's back. Oh, that really sucks though. Ah, that sucks, dude. That is so annoying though. So that didn't even last long at all. So man, that's horrible though. I hate the fact that it's back though. Anyways, truck feels good. I mean, it's just insurance for me to know that the fluids are changed, and they also topped off the coolant. Coolant was a little bit low slightly, so they said they went ahead and topped it up. I mean, topped it off, I guess. So that's good. Oh man, it's supposed to stop right here. And yeah man, so let's see. Person in front of this truck is sleeping though, man. They're not trying to go. So anyways, I don't know what was going on up there though. Anyways, yeah, that guy's a rude guy though. He wasn't trying to move, so I don't know why. Some people are just mean. My main goal was to follow my wife closely, because now she's with the baby. So, but now I can't because they're further ahead. But oh, actually they're right in front of us, so I'll stay behind them. They're right in front of this truck, so ooh, my wife took forever to go. Anyways, yeah, so truck feels good. Oh, the light is out again though, so it's not there. That's crazy, right? That is insane. Maybe it needs to go through some cycles before it actually completely goes off. But yeah, but it's not there anymore. That's good. Yeah, because I put it on drive, then the light came on, so now it's not there. It's perfect. But yeah, man, so one main reason I want to do that oil change is every time you buy a used car, you want to do all the maintenance yourself, right? You want to make sure that the person that had it before took care of it, right? So when they did the oil change on the front diff, the transfer case, and the rear diff, nothing was found wrong with it. Everything seems to be pretty good though. And also the overall health of the truck is good. The brake pads are good, brake rotors are good, so nothing was mentioned that need to be replaced. Even the timing belt is good though. I mean, not the timing belt, but the drive belt is good and everything. So just want to make sure that all those things are taken care of, you know, all the time. So anyways, for you guys that follow me because of the crawler, so my wife, she's right up front. Oh, see, because the crawler, this guy's legendary though, right? I think last time that car was at the shop was for an oil change last year around September. Yeah, everything is good with it though. So the same thing with this truck. It cost me a lot to do all those fluid changes. Yeah, it was very expensive though, but it gives me confidence in a sense to know that things are good, especially the fact that I put 800 miles on it every week going to my job though. So I put 800 miles per week, so that's a lot of miles on this truck, so it's a lot of abuse. But the good thing is it's mostly highway. The part I hate is the dirt road that I drive onto, so gravel road, that's the only thing I hate. So yeah, all right guys, hopefully you guys liked the video. Unfortunately I couldn't show you guys when the truck was getting the maintenance work done, but at least I shared it with you and told you what I was getting ready to do with it. So next plans with this one is once the dust settles, some wheels and nice rugged tires would be great, and that's it with this truck. Nothing more, nothing less. And yeah, fix those light bulbs too though. They're out again though, so I'll try to get some better light bulbs. I did replace the light bulbs earlier, but I'm gonna get better ones. So all right guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy your week, enjoy your day, enjoy your evening, enjoy your morning, wherever you are. Thanks for subscribing. Catch you guys later. Bye.